What is up guys? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to go from $0 to $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. And even if you know nothing, just watch this video, you will get an overview of how you can start from zero and go to $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are simply going to hop into the whiteboard, and there I will be showing you how you can start making $100 per day. Okay, so basically, as you can see, we are on the whiteboard. So now guys, what is the process? I'm going to be share with you the exact blueprint that can take you from $0 to $100 per day, but you have to promise me that you will be started taking action until within, if you're going to do it honestly, you will start getting results within your first 30 days. Okay, so now what is the process? Basically the process is simple. First of all, let me tell you what is affiliate marketing. Okay, so what the hell is affiliate marketing? Basically, what I think it is one of the easiest business right now. Okay, because here you do not need to create any product. There is no product you need to create. Okay, and there is nothing like you do not need to do like there is not a high cost. Okay, there is no high cost. Even you can start this with zero money. How you can start this with zero money? Let me share with you. Basically, you need two things. One is the landing page creator and one is the autoresponder. So you just need two of these things. And if you are a beginner, you can also create a landing page in the get response, which is just 15 bucks a month. And even if you are going to go with a 30-day free trial, check out the link in the description, because there is a 30-day free trial link and you can use that. And if you are going to start making money with within 30 days, you can then start paying for that autoresponder. Okay, so basically after you are going to make a little more money, you can then buy a kind of a landing page creator. That will be also very helpful. Okay, so for now you just need a $15 to start making money. That's all you need. Okay, you do not need to create any product. There is no high cost, and this method is complete beginner. Okay, this method is complete beginner just because there is nothing like to be worried about anything. Okay, you just, but what if you are a complete beginner, you do not have any results to share? Okay, you just do not have any results to share. So what you can do? So I'm taking you as a complete beginner. So now what you have two ways. Okay, basically one is to simply or you can even combine both of them. That will be really great, because I did the same thing when I was a beginner. Okay, so what you can do, you are simply having two options. One of them is just start documenting your journey. For example, when you are just starting out, you will be learning from about the affiliate marketing, whether it can be from YouTube, okay, or it can be from Facebook. So whatever you are going to learn on the daily basis, just start sharing that with your audience, because that's not just your subscriber, that's your audience, that's your customer who are going to make you money. Okay, who are going to give you money, who are going to buy from you. So whatever you are going to start learning, just start sharing them. Just start sharing. If you are going to learn from any product, just share that what did you learn from that product. And even if you cannot buy the product, tell them that there is good benefit of this product. This is one of the best benefit you can do. So then you can just simply recommend the product. You are just simply going to start teaching them something, and thereafter you are going to recommend that product, and you will be amazed that you will start getting sales this way. Okay, you will start getting sales this way. But there is one more powerful way, and what I think combining these two methods is going to give you the best results ever. Okay, the second way is to start telling them about your story. Okay, let's say how you started. Okay, for example, when I just started from the when I was just starting with the kind of making money, I used to sell noodles, biscuits, and there is a very big story I will tell you in another video. Okay, but for now, the catch is this: what you need to tell them your journey. How did you started? What were the struggles you made? How you get your first sale, or whatever you can. Even if you have not get your first sale, still tell them how did you started. What were the kind of the things you faced? All of the things that you faced. What are the challenges what were the challenges you faced? And everything, whatever you think that can help them to just share them, because everybody thinks in the same way. They also don't know that their family stops them, they do not have money. So you have you can also share the same way, like my family was stopping me from starting this online business. I was having zero money, I was a broke college student, I was going to college, I was having no time to give in the business. So just start sharing the, what you can do, just to start sharing the content on one day. Okay, maybe if you are start creating 7 videos on YouTube a week, okay, one video every day, so probably you are going to learn something from the YouTube, Facebook, because you are a beginner. Okay, so just share that same thing. And in a week, you can, in a one time or maybe 2 times a week, you can simply also tell them about your story. And in the middle, you can also recommend them a product. I will not say that start recommending product in every of the video, but you can then simply tell them, hey, check out this product, I really get benefit from this. Or you can also tell them like, this can really be a good fit for you, check this out, it can really give you help. So you can then simply just help them. Okay, so now what is the catch? The catch is this: I'm going to tell you how you can build a business. Okay, so basically we are now I've told you, if you have zero skill, you have nothing, so how you can start? We are going to start creating content, start telling them your story on the Facebook, YouTube, or whatever, Instagram it is. All of the platforms work very well. Okay, what I will suggest you, do not just pick one platform, pick at least 2 to 3 platforms, because who knows when your account will be shut down by which platform, because your business is in control of others. So if you, let's say if you are going to work 2 hours a day on one platform, simply break it down into 1 and 1 hour. That is going to divide your time, and you can also give more time who is going to give you more results. Okay, so then what you can do, you can then simply give them something for free. Okay, basically this is the exact business that the gurus are using. Okay, so basically you are going to use over here, give them something for free, and here you are going to use your landing page where we are going to collect their emails, and in return we are going to send them the daily valuable emails. It cannot be daily, but usually weekly or whatever, it really depends on you how much value you can give. But in the email we are going to provide them value, and even if sometimes we are going to sell them. For example, you can follow like 3 value pitch emails and then 1 pitch email. So this is one of the things that I have followed, and it has really given me good results. Okay, so these are the simple things you can do. Once you have collected their email, you can then just simply start promoting them or start providing them value, and this is the way you are going to get sale. And even if you want to create a deeper relation with your audience, you can also send them to a thank you page where you can tell them who you are, what is your story. Just do not create more than 1 minute video, because this is just the beginning. Tell them a little about yourself, tell them what they will receive in their emails and all of this stuff. Okay, so basically this is the way you are going to give them value on this page. You are going to collect their emails, you are going to send them value, and then pitch, value, okay, value, and then finally pitch. Okay, just keep repeating this. You can easily find the products on the ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and then just start creating content, start helping them, start building an email list. And email list is one of the biggest assets you have online. Okay, even if tomorrow anyone is going to shut down your account, let's say after working a year you have built a list of 50,000 members, which is really not a big deal. Okay, once you start getting momentum, it's not a big deal. Okay, so let's say you have built a list of 50,000 member. Okay, 50,000 member, and on the emails you can easily get 5% click-through rate. Okay, if you are going to build a good relation, you can get a 5%, but let's say you are only going to get a 4% click-through rate. Okay, so then let's say one of the platform is going to shut down your account. Okay, so now you have to create a new account. But the catch is this: if you have an email list, you are going to shoot an email that you are starting a new social media platform or whatever it is, and then you will get 4% click-through rate out of the 50,000 people, and instantly the 2,000 member are going to join you. And when you are going to get the 2,000 member instantly, probably that platform will start loving you. They will start promoting you themselves. People will see you that this is one of the figure in the industry, so we should really follow him because he has really gotten good result. And what you can do, because probably you have 50 list of 50,000 member, you can just simply start promoting them with the paid traffic. You can get more and more audience with the paid traffic. So that is what the gurus are doing, and that is what you can do. You can then just simply start with the free traffic by creating content on the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And when you will be keep on building the list, you can then start running the paid ads and can scale your business to the next level. Okay, so also if you want to learn this into the detail on how to go from $0 to $100 per day, then check out the first link in the description, because really you are going to get a ton of value, guys, a ton of value. Literally you are going to get a ton of value in from these things. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, and be sure to check that out, because I will see you there and will tell you a lot and you will really learn a lot. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next video.